Welcome back, folks. Hope you're all well. It's a beautiful day in the Shire today. Just a quick one to share what I've been working on today. Custom panniers. These are a GIVI frame. I bought them a couple of years ago probably, along with some bags. Sold the bags which paid for the frames, bought them second hand, effectively free. I've had to customise them quite simply. It only took me probably about 4 hours of bending and just trying on and off the bike. So all I had to actually do was do this bend here, heat that up and bend that, and cut off the length of it, weld on a tab to your footrest here, and then make these little supports here for the third support. The main support is into my rack bracket, so I've drilled into there and used a riv nut, which makes taking them on and off really easy. I've made them in such a way that I can take them off easily, but I quite like the look of them, so I don't think I will. They'll be quite useful to have on all the time. A handy point to note, Royal Enfield have thought of everything, and the foot peg here that I've secured them to, there's actually a spacer in that when you come to fit a frame, I presume this is why they've made them, why they fitted them, you can just remove that spacer and it gives you enough room on the little locating pin and the thread in order to give you a secure mount for your bracket. So one point connection there, another point here and another point there, so they're really firm. They're still a little bit tacky from paint, but I was rushing to get them on. I didn't want to leave it another day. Just to cover a slight downside of the Royal Enfield, because of the upswept exhaust, it does limit your pannier options. I did a similar arrangement on my last bike, and I just strapped dry bags to them. I've got some Alp Kit dry bags. I have also got some Alp Kit cycle panniers, which would be great because this is a 10mm bar and they click straight on there. However, that's no good because the panniers are probably all the way down here, so unless I ever change the exhaust I won't use them, unless I modify them so they click on higher up or something. But really happy with it. I've been on my to-do list for ages and super happy with the result. I'll show you a few different angles and then you can get an idea yourself. Obviously this is very custom, done it all myself, but if you do find GIVI frames like this and you do like a bit of welding and fabricating, they're a good starting point. They're easy to work with, and you've got enough mounting points that you could probably come up with something. All these frames will be slightly different because this was a fitment for a completely different bike. I can't remember what it was. They're quite common for street bikes like some Kawasaki Z6 whatevers, but they're a really good starting point, as I say. So now I'll show you some different angles. As you can see, it's quite slim profile, so not much wider than the seat. Obviously you've got to put your panniers on there, but the dry bags I'm fitting will only be narrow. If I ever change my mind with the setup as well, with the bags, I mean, I can throw some saddlebags over and they'll just give it the support to stop them rubbing on the suspension and things. I've given enough room so you can still see the indicators. I am going to replace those with some Moto Gadget ones, but you can still see them from behind even with the bag strapped on. And as I say, the suspension, there's enough room around the suspension to stop anything rubbing. In terms of profile, I've fitted them about level, this bar, so it's about level with the top of the rack. So then once I've fitted some panniers, what I quite like to do is I've got a 40 litre dry bag, actually a GIVI dry bag that's good just to throw over the top. So panniers will probably puff up here and that'll go on the top. We'll be testing them out on a camping trip next week, so I'll report back after the weekend and see how we've gone on. I know from packing up my last one on the Scotland trips and stuff that we'll have plenty of room, so sure we'll be fine if we pack light. So that's all for today. Just wanted to share this little bit of progress, something I've been putting off for ages and got round to, and ended up being pretty simple in the end. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.